Hello friend, welcome to my channel Chef Food and Traveler. Today we are in Wurzburg and we are going to explore the Wurzburg.
Hello.
Nirav is with me. So this is how look like fortress. It's like a castle. And here is the viewpoint from where you can see the Würzburg and river Main. And there is a alte Brücke, it's like old bridge. It's also one of the point attraction in Würzburg. And river Main. This looks really beautiful, and there you can see the grapes yards. It's like a vineyard they're called. Here people used to cultivate the grapes, and from grapes they make the wine. So this is also famous region for making the wines, and most popular wines from Germany also come from this region. So this is Castle Marienberg. Actually it was built in 1870 around by King George of Hanover, and he built this castle to give as a gift to his wife Marie, and from his wife named Marie is this castle called now Marienberg. Marienburg, yeah, Burg is nothing but castle. So this name came from the wife from King George of Hanover. And this is also a symbol of love and also called the romantic castle in Würzburg. So you can see the beautiful view from here. Now we are walking along the castle. So from here you have the beautiful view of the castle. You can see it. There is a main gate. I'll put all information in my description box. From there you can check it out that which place need to see in Würzburg, and how can you make the tour, like walking tour. So we are going inside this castle, Marienberg by Marienburg. Oh, we are now approximately in the middle of the castle. You can see the big tower. It's famous monument. So now we are at the garden of this castle. So after spending a good time at Marienburg, now we are heading towards the Alte Brücke. Alte Brücke is nothing but the old bridge, which is also very famous in Würzburg and also one of the attractions to see. So we are doing the walking tour to this city, and all places are somehow in the old city, so it's not that far and it's more convenient to go by walk. So you can also do the boat trip here as well. I will put all this information, what things you can do here and how to do. There are also some guided tour available, so check it out my description box there. And here you can see this Altesbrück, the Marienburg. Alte Brücke is also the bridge between the old city and the new city. In the past it was only bridge to go outside from the city, but now it's somehow connecting the new city and old city. In the past, Wurzburg was also the one of the main hub for transportation and many things. So there are many restaurants and cafeteria nearby, so you can always visit them and have some food. This is the Rathaus. This also looks good. It's kind of the city center. So we are at open market somewhere. We were actually walking around the Domstrasse and then we found this beautiful street and we just follow this street and we reach to this Domstrasse, and here you can see the church. This looks really good. So here is Marienkapelle. It's like a Marian church. Oh, it looks really awesome. So there is Marienkirche, Marienkapelle, and here is the cathedral dome. This whole place you can explore by walking. So we have parked our car to the Marienberg and now we are exploring everything by walk. So this is Dome. And the train station is also called Dome here. So in case if you are coming via tram or something, then the Dome station is the station to reach to the Dome. So now we are at the residence of Wurzburg. And here is a parking lot available as well. so you can also start your tour from here. But here it's a paid parking, and where we park is the free parking, so I will share this information as well. So this, you can see the residence, and they have the garden and everything. This is also when you search for the Wurzburg, what to do, things to do in Wurzburg, and then you can see this place on number 1 as well. So it also looks really big, and we are going inside now. There are some beautiful gardens to see, and also they give the map, so you can also follow this map. Now we are going to the Hofgarten, Portgarten. So now we are at the Hofgarten of Residence. Under every tree there is a statue. So you can see complete residence here. So here you can see the rose garden. It's really nice to spend time here. This is really big garden here. So friend, we are almost about to finish our tour, and only last point of attraction is remaining. It's called Old Crane, and it's also very famous here. It was built in 1773, and it was the main crane to unload the cargo ship in the Main River. Here you can see the Main River, and there I think you can see the crane. It was an important tool at the time, and from here you can also do the ship tour. There is a old bridge and Marienberg Castle and River Main, and now it's the old crane. yeah, it was a nice day overall. We are very happy to be here, and after visiting this crane we'll heading back where we park our car. We park at Marienberg, so we have to go there. So you can see here it's beautiful crane from 1773. So this is all from our Wurzburg trip. I hope you liked our video, and if you are coming to the Würzburg, then definitely it's really nice city to visit, and I definitely recommend it to be here. There are many beautiful places to see and also nice restaurant. You're definitely not disappointed by being here. So thank you very much, guys, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you, bye bye.